Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vipul Verma and today's topic is Introduction to ThinkCell. ThinkCell is a presentation software that integrates with PowerPoint and Excel seamlessly to help you visualize complex data using charts. Now, what does it do? ThinkCell helps make the task of creating professional PowerPoint presentation easy and efficient. Integrates with Excel and PowerPoint, help you to visualize complex charts such as waterfall chart, macro chart, Gantt chart in your presentation within minutes. ThinkCell is also capable of generating auto-updating agenda slides as simply as a table of content in a word processor. Founded in April 2002 and headquartered in Berlin, Germany. These are the basic system requirements to run ThinkCell properly in your system. First one is Microsoft Windows Vista 7, 10 and more. Microsoft Office 2003, 2007, 10, 13 and 365 with at least PowerPoint and Excel installed. So these are the basic requirements. Next topic is ThinkCell Toolbar. The ThinkCell Toolbar in PowerPoint provides a set of tools to enhance presentation creation, focusing on data visualization and layout optimization. Below is a screenshot of ThinkCell Toolbar. Here you can see ThinkCell is already selected and these are the features provided by ThinkCell in the toolbar like new slide, paste, format painter, agenda, library, charts, and these are few features of ThinkCell, table, shapes, images, and many more. So if you are going to select option of chart, these are the charts that you can see in the drop down menu like stack bar chart, 100% stack bar, cluster bar, build up waterfall, build down waterfall, and many more. Now come back to the ThinkCell toolbar. Here you can see there are multiple features provided by ThinkCell. So right now I am using ThinkCell 13, but if you are using ThinkCell 11 or ThinkCell 12, so might be you are not getting these features. Like there is a feature of ThinkCell that is library option. So if you click on library, you will be able to find out predefined structures that will help you in creating presentations. But this is the latest feature provided by ThinkCell in ThinkCell 13. This feature is not available in ThinkCell 11 or ThinkCell 12. Library option is provided by ThinkCell in ThinkCell 13. So if you click over here, you can see multiple layouts that are already designed by ThinkCell team. So I am sure that ThinkCell 11 does not have this library options. So not to worry means if your organization is providing ThinkCell tool of version 11, so no need to worry. Without this library option, you can also work on ThinkCell because our focus is only charts. So if you have this option enable in your ThinkCell toolbar, so that is sufficient. These are the added updates and upgrades provided by ThinkCell. Maybe in ThinkCell 14, 15, you will see many more updates. But right now, as compared to 11, 12, 13, I can say library option they have added in this particular ThinkCell 13. In our next video, we will be going to create our first chart in ThinkSelf. If you are facing any problem and if you have any question, please reach out to us, or you can write your question or query in YouTube comments. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our channel. This will motivate us to create more and more videos on ThinkSelf.